Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create combo field and evenly spaced characters. This is my PDF file and select this Foxit sign option in this top menu bar and this is combo field. Click here. Now click in here your PDF file and see this. Now type your text character and see this. Here you can increase decrease this character size and this color you can change. See this, and you can move it in here. Here you can increase and type text, and you can remove any text from anywhere and retype new text and see this. Yeah, this is. I'll insert another combo box here and type your character and see this and increase your box and move in here and see this and change color and so on. This is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.